Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is data structure 2 for, okay, data structure fundamentals 2 Mat2 answer 5. So the first question is difference between singly and doubly linked list. Okay, so the very first difference would be that in singly linked list each node contains of only two fields. One is data itself and another one is the pointer to the next node. And in doubly linked list, each node consists of three variables. Okay, one would be data itself, another one would be the pointer to the next node, and the third one would be the pointer to the last node, like previous node. Okay, so that's a very main difference between those two. Then in singly linked list, traversal, like only one direction traversal is possible, so I can only move forward. In doubly linked list I can move forward or backward, right? And after that, okay, so like if I want to remove a particular element from a singly linked list, then what I need to do is like I need to take like I need to keep track of the previous element, previous node itself, and then like I need to connect the previous node with the next node. But in doubly linked list I don't have to do that, so that is also one of the difference. Then singly linked list would consist of like would require less space than doubly linked list, right? Then second question is what is the difference between size of an strlen? Okay, so size of is a operator that will give me the size of a particular variable or any particular data type. Okay, so for example, if I say size of integer, then it will give me 4 because integer takes of 4 bytes, right? And if I say like size of long, then it will give me 8 bytes, right? And strlen will give me what is the length of my string. So for example, if I say strlen and as a string I provide my name Siddharth, then it will give me 9 because my name consists of 9 letters, so the length of my name would be 9, right? Then the third question is what is the main disadvantage of linked list? Okay, so I would say it requires more space than for, let's say for example, array, right? So it requires more space because we also need to take care of the next node or previous node, or at least one or two nodes. So like we require more space, so we would need to store the data, and on top of that we need to store a pointer, one or two pointers. So like that's why it requires more space, and that would be a disadvantage. Then another one would be that oh man. Okay, yes. Like if we compare it with an array, then let's say I have a 10 elements in my array, and if I want to access fifth or sixth element directly, I can do that. But in linked list, I cannot do that. So I need to traverse from first to the fifth or sixth element, whichever I want to access. Or if it is a doubly linked list, then like the point is like we cannot directly access like array, so that would also be a disadvantage. Thank you.